And so just below the dome there, you have probably one of the more famous Foucault pendulums here in the United States. Now, listen to what the tour guide had to say about how this thing works.
If you're wondering how we keep it going with an electromagnet. Otherwise, due to air friction, it would slow down. We'd have to jump in there every hour or so and give it a push. But our electromagnet keeps it going even after we close at night. It keeps going and swinging back and forth even after we close.
But our electromagnet keeps it going even after we close at night. It keeps going and swinging back and forth even after we close.
You put a little motor in the top and give it a little jiggle and put energy in at the top, which is somehow cheating because you're actually pushing the damn thing, and you have to make sure you push it in a way which is not going to cause a torque. So that's the way it's done in a lot of museums.
Not everyone realizes that they actually have a magnetic drive plugged into electricity that keeps them moving. Now, the only reason I know this is because I worked for a construction company that installed one,